get a first word from you, Rahul Verma. At the moment appears Trinamool Congress edging ahead in Bengal, but Mamta herself trailing. How do you see that? Interpret that for us.
Uh, Rajdeep, as you rightly said, if Mamta has to choose between two things, she would like to win Bengal even if she loses Nandigram. I think what we are witnessing at the moment, because these are early leads, this is a tight race and it's likely to remain tight for some more time before we get a clear indication of who's going to lead. And the reasons why this is a tight election are four. First, I think there is equal level of polarization on both sides. And given the demographics of West Bengal, you should expect a tighter race. Second, what has happened in this election in West Bengal, that BJP would have expected Congress, Left and ISF alliance to do well so that they can basically that alliance would have largely taken votes away from Trinamool, which does not which has not happened. So Mamta is gaining from this alliance not doing well at all. Third, you have to remember that BJP basically, does really well in national elections and comes down a little bit in state elections. And this is what is happening. So BJP is holding on to its national presence, but is not able to add much more to that. And finally, what many had always said, that Mamta has some advantage among women voters. It seems that this section is still keeping Mamta and her party in the fight.
Big story then coming in. Gopal Krishna Agarwal, it appears at the moment you put all your efforts, resources into Bengal. Some would say controversially, way too many resources. But Mamta Banerjee holding on. Didi oh Didi is proving there's a bit of a dada in her.
No, but the thing is that from where we started, it was a tough fight. We started from a very low margin in 2016. From there, we have put all effort. Our all elections are like this. Let the final result come.
Sure, but Gopal, with due regard, Amit Shah was at a press conference in Kolkata, said, "Ab ki baar 200 par." He was talking of 200 plus. He was saying we'll get a bigger victory in Bengal than we got in UP. That's not happening clearly. Mamta Banerjee is not going anywhere. She may lose Nandigram, but she is at the moment, showing that she's very much in the race in Bengal.
No, she is in the race. She was always in the race. But the thing is that BJP put up a very strong fight at the ground level. There was a wave of parivartan flowing there. And if the Mamta Banerjee loses, what face she has? And still there are, these are only initial counting. But the ultimate, I think we are going to perform very well. We are going to form government in West Bengal. We are confident from the ground report what has been coming to us from our workers, leaders there, that there is a big wave of change that is blowing.
So you're still seeing the possibility of a BJP victory in Bengal, am I correct? You're still seeing that very much.
Yes, definitely. We for BJP forming the government in West Bengal is also very important for us. And still we are very confident that on the ground report that we are getting.
So you're saying you're still confident